Hello everyone, welcome you all. In this video we are discussing finite state system or finite state automata. It is a mathematical model of computation and we also call it as an abstract machine that can be in exactly one of the finite number of states at any given time. Now finite automata can be of two types. It can be a deterministic finite automata or a non-deterministic finite automata. Deterministic finite automata we call it as DFA and non-deterministic finite automata can be called as a NFA. Now the formal definition of DFA is there are certain terms given here which forms the definition of DFA, that is deterministic finite automata. That is Q summation sigma Q0 and F. Here you can see Q stands for set of states, that is how many states will be there in your machine, that will be said with the help of this Q. Then summation is a set of alphabets, that is how many alphabets are allowed in your language. Then sigma indicates the transition, that we will discuss with the help of example. Q0 indicates initial state or start state and F indicate final state, or we can say that set of finite final states. So we can say the set of finite final state means it can be one or more. So it is not compulsory that there will be only one final state. There can be more than one final state, and that's why we can call it as final state is a subset of Q. Q is a set of all states. So final state is a subset of all states. Now the basic difference between DFA and NFA is what is meant by deterministic and what do you mean by non-deterministic. So deterministic means for one input there will be only one output state, that is if Q0 is the initial state and if we are providing A as input there will be only one output state. That's why it is called as a deterministic. But in case of NFA this is not the case. In case of NFA for one input there can be more than one output state. So Q0 is the input state. For this Q0 state there are two output states, that is Q1 and Q2. So that's why we call it as a non-deterministic, because for same input there can be different output states. So this is a basic difference between input state and output state. We have discussed formal definition of deterministic finite automata. This is a definition for deterministic finite automata. Now with the help of example you will be clear with all these terms, that is set of state, alphabet, transition, initial state and set of finite state. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel if you are new here.